Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you new working Funding Pips discount codes. Looking to grab a discount on Funding Pips? Let's go through it quickly. First, head over to Deal Spotter, a reliable source for active promo codes. You'll find multiple codes listed, often giving 5% off of your order. To use them, simply copy the code you want, like the one labeled Forex Prop Reviews, and apply it during checkout. If you want more options, scroll through the page. Some codes might be hidden behind a View Code button, so make sure to click and reveal them. Some offers even link directly to Amazon or other platforms, so check each one carefully. For extra convenience, save the codes to your notes or clipboard so you can apply them later. And remember, deals change frequently, so it's always a good idea to double check that the code is still active before using it. This way, you can quickly grab a Funding Pips discount without missing it out on any current promotions. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.